There are plenty of Kugas to choose from, but is the conventional hybrid the one to get? If you must have a Kuga in your life, Ford certainly has an engine option to suit. There's one petrol, 3 diesels, one of which is a mild hybrid, and 2 proper hybrids, one conventional, one plug-in. Factor in the 4-wheel drive versions available with some, and picking the right Kuga rapidly turns into a brain teaser. Ford justifies offering all this because the Kuga is now its heartland car. As a sign of the way things are heading, the Kuga and Puma SUVs were both in the top 10 of UK car sales in April. The Focus? It slipped out of that top bracket. We're testing the 2.5-liter Duratec FHEV, full hybrid electric vehicle, here, with 187 bhp and a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 9.1 sec. A torque figure isn't available yet, as the homologation is incomplete. It's attached to a CVT, while a 1.1 kWh battery and AC synchronous motor provide the electrical assistance. Official fuel economy and CO2 emissions are 49.6 miles per gallon and 131 grams kilometer respectively, which is on the money for rivals such as the Hyundai Tucson. As it's a self-charging hybrid, you don't get the benefit of as much electric-only range, so the CO2 figures take a battering compared with plug-in rivals. Ford talks up the weight savings on the Mk3 Kuga, with plenty of aluminium in places such as the suspension control arms, plus lighter carpets and hollow shock absorbers. The company claims an admirable 80 kilograms saving overall, but it's still a big lump of a car, so tips the scales at 1,701 kilograms. What's it like? As ever with a conventional hybrid, the Kuga starts silently on electric only, but it's not long before the 2.5-liter petrol engine kicks in. Anything above car park pace starts it. To be fair, though, it's a smooth transition and the powertrain is largely refined, with enough punch to make any sort of journey effortless. The caveat above is down to the CVT. It's fine for pottering about, but as soon as you ask for more, it winds itself up, the engine note climbs to the top of the rev range and there it stays, wailing away. It settles down again once you ease off, but it lacks sophistication, and the Kuga FHEV with the same gearbox somehow manages to contain the whining better. It's a shame, because the car is dynamically sound. The ride is on the firm side of comfort, but, because it's a Ford, the excellent damping controls the suspension overall bar the sharpest bumps. Should I buy one? Of course, all these good bits are also available in another Kuga, the FHEV one. It has a higher price, by £2,920, but a lower tax bracket and a longer EV range, plus you won't hear the engine revving away as often. If you can make the sums add up, that's where we suggest heading.